YouTube automation is a game changer. It's a way to make videos without doing all the work yourself. Think of it as having a robot helper for your channel. This helper can find topics, write scripts, and even edit videos. The goal is to create content regularly without you having to be there all the time. Automation tools are getting smarter every day. They can now do things that used to take hours in just minutes. For example, they can scan the internet for trending topics and write a script. Some tools can even create entire videos from start to finish. They use AI to generate voiceovers and pick out relevant images or clips. The best part is that you're still in control. You decide what kind of content you want to make and set the rules. It's like having a very efficient assistant who works 24/7. That's the magic of YouTube automation. YouTube automation can be a goldmine if done right. The potential to earn is huge. Some automated channels make thousands of dollars a month. The key is to create content that people want to watch. When you do that, the views start rolling in, and with views come opportunities to make money. There are several ways to earn from an automated YouTube channel. The most common is through ads. YouTube places ads on your videos and you get paid when people watch them. Another way is through sponsorships. Companies pay you to mention their products in your videos. You can also make money through affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products and get a cut when people buy them. The beauty of automation is that it allows you to scale. Automated tools can help you create multiple videos daily. More videos mean more chances to make money. Some creators run several automated channels at once, multiplying their earning potential. Over time, this consistent activity can lead to substantial earnings. There are many success stories in the world of YouTube automation. One famous example is the fact channels. These channels pump out multiple videos daily about interesting facts. They use automation to research topics, write scripts, and create videos. Some of these channels have millions of subscribers. They make substantial money from ads and sponsorships. Another success story is in the news niche. There are channels that automatically create news summaries. They pull information from various sources and compile it into short videos. These channels update multiple times a day, providing quick news updates. Stock market channels also use AI to analyze market trends and create daily update videos. These videos are popular among investors and traders, making money from ads and premium subscriptions. Even in entertainment, automation is making waves with AI-generated short, funny videos. Section 4. Why automation works. Automation works because it solves a big problem time. Creating YouTube content takes a lot of effort. You need to research, script, film, edit, and upload. With automation, you can create multiple videos in the time it used to take to make one. This means more content and more chances to reach viewers. Consistency is another reason why automation works. YouTube's algorithm loves channels that post regularly. Automated channels can post every day or even multiple times a day. This regular activity keeps the channel visible. More visibility means more views, and more views mean more money. Automation also allows for quick reactions to trends. Automated systems can spot trends early and create videos quickly. Another benefit is the ability to test and optimize. Automated systems can create many variations of titles, thumbnails, and content, tracking which ones perform best. Section 5. Getting started with YouTube automation. Starting with YouTube automation is easier than you might think. The first step is to choose your niche. Pick a topic you're interested in and that has an audience on YouTube. Once you have your niche, research the popular channels in that area. See what kind of content works well. Next, you'll need to choose your automation tools. Some tools help with research and scripting. Others can create entire videos from start to finish. Look for tools that fit your needs and budget. Many offer free trials so you can test them out before committing. After you have your tools, it's time to set up your workflow. Decide how often you want to post videos. Create templates for your video structure and style. Set up rules for your automated system to follow. The final step is to start creating and uploading content. Monitoring your channel's performance to refine your process. Section 6. Maximizing your earnings. To maximize earnings from your automated YouTube channel, focus on quality and quantity. Yes, automation helps you create more content, but that content still needs to be good. Make sure your automated videos provide value to viewers. They should be informative, entertaining, or both. Quality content leads to more views and more earnings. SEO is crucial for maximizing earnings. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your videos show up in search results. Many automation tools can help with SEO. Engaging thumbnails are another key to success. A good thumbnail can make someone click on your video. Diversify your income streams to maximize earnings. The more ways you have to earn, the more potential your